Hey guys, it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store, and today we are going to be answering a question that we get asked a lot. Can you paint cane webbing? I'm going to be showing you how to paint cane and also a couple of other techniques so you can make sure that you get the look that you're going for. So I want to start by saying that there absolutely is a right and a wrong way to paint cane webbing, and I've seen it done wrong quite a few times here on YouTube. So here's the trick. You should never paint the backside of your cane webbing. Part of the beauty of cane is that it will last for years and years if it's cared for properly. And that's another video that I'll link to in the description if you're interested, but the reason for that is that cane needs to breathe. And if it's unable to do so, it will become dry and brittle and it's gonna break on you. That being said, the easiest way to paint cane webbing is by spraying it with spray paint. You can hand paint it too. Just make sure that you put on a few very, very thin layers so it doesn't drip. If this is a piece of furniture that you're painting, simply tape off the parts that you don't want painted and allow it to dry for a few hours before handling. And I cannot stress this enough, you really only want to paint one side of the cane. The underside is a little bit more unfinished looking and you don't want to paint that because if you do, you will suffocate your cane. Murder, literal murder. If you want to give your cane webbing a light refresh but you don't fully want to paint it, you could always whitewash it. Mix your paint with water and paint it onto your cane and then immediately wipe it off with a lint-free rag. We ended up using latex paint and we think that oil paint would work too, but when we tried other paints like acrylic, it didn't work, so keep that in mind when picking out your paint. Go slowly and take it layer by layer. You can always add more paint, but you can't take it away. Once you're happy with your results, don't sit on or place anything on your cane until it is fully dried. So cane webbing does darken over time, but if you don't want to wait or you wanted something with slightly warmer undertones, you can stain it. You're going to want to use an oil-based stain on your cane, and you should apply it in the same way you would regularly stain wood. So I go over this in another video in this series, but if you decide that you want your cane to stay in its natural state, a little bit of oil will give it a refresh and make it look really great. I recommend using linseed oil. You could also use mineral oil or Murphy's oil soap that has been diluted with a little bit of water. And I will leave you with that. Let me know in the comments down below what project brought you here and make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos every other week. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.